French Tweets is a worldwide operating e-learning platform that was initiated by Dr. Dolly Sethia in the year 2020. Through the fellow team of native language experts, training is offered by French Tweets for a wide array of immigration and other language tests. We facilitate live online French classes from DELF to TEF and TCF Canada for our various global learners, from kids, young adults to teachers and working professionals. Similarly, we have been successfully facilitating English training courses for IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, OET and TOEFL from our TESOL certified Native American teachers. On the other hand, our Spanish native experts are highly proficient to train for DELI and SIELE tests for all age groups of learners. French Tweets has strategically planned the courses as per different levels of proficiency from A1, A2, B1, B2 to C1 and C2. We have more than 7,000 plus registered learners who are undertaking these sessions from different time zones of the world. We offer both customized one-on-one sessions and group learning with small batch sizes. Classes are conducted virtually on an e-learning platform. We provide structured plans for all levels and test training to ensure proficiency in all 4 modules, including listening, reading, writing, and speaking. French Tweets integrates mock tests while focusing on speaking and writing strategies for getting in-depth knowledge about the exam pattern. 24/7 student support is provided along with session recording to refer back after the class. The team of native experts at French Tweets works with learners at all levels, ages and proficiency skills. The programs are tailored to meet specific needs and goals, which help them to adapt the tricky accent and grammar concepts in a comprehensive way,